Thomas Jefferson argued that every constitution should sunset after 19 years to give a new generation the opportunity to build their own constitution. What we have seen here is a new generation, young people, coming together to help us understand what they think the Constitution should look like for generations to come.
My name is Crispin South.
My name is Riley Herbert.
My name's Jordan Pittman.
I was so impressed to see so many students from so many different walks of life studying so many different things and be able to apply their own knowledge and work with others.
I was very worried that we wouldn't be able to pass a proposal. They set a high threshold for us, 76 votes out of 100, and so we were worried for a bit that we wouldn't be able to pass anything.
My amendment affirming the sovereignty of tribal nations passed. It was the highest vote getter out of all of the amendments proposed, got a total of 91 votes.
We passed an amendment to the Constitution restricting eminent domain and making sure that the government can't take your property and then just give it to somebody else.
Some of the amendments that passed included an equal rights proposal. Thought that was really important, and even though I had to remain neutral as president, I was really glad to see it passed.
Our Constitution needs more amendments at this point in time just to keep up with how society has developed, and I think it's really important for events like this to spark those discussions.